So guys, welcome back to the channel CAD Red, and in today's video we are going to learn about how to make a solar panel. Like a single solar panel of 60 cells is what we are going to learn in this video. For that, the first bigger size of the solar panel is going to be 35 inches. Then the smaller size would be 18 inches. Then again the same 35 inches, then again 18 inches, and that's how your first the outer rig of the panel is now ready. After this, what you have to do is that you just have to offset it. Just you can do a simple thing is just join that all. Then you just have to offset it. Just offset it. Press offset. Offset 1 inch. Perfect. And now the inner rig of the stainless steel panel is now ready. What will happen in this is that I'll show you first, just an overview by just a sketch, that this will have like cells in this, this area will have cells in it. This areas will have lower supports with it. This areas will have lower supports with it, and this is how the whole panel will look when we finally complete it. So that's all the thing was. So what you have to do after this is that you have to select this line. Actually we had joined it, just trim this line and make another line, and you have to divide the smaller line after the line that you have offsetted, which comes down to 16 inches. Now the overall dimension is 18 inches, but this line dimension is now 16 inches. So what you have to do with this, as I told you before, we are going to make 60 cell solar panel whose size differ from country to country, from state to state, from manufacturer to manufacturer. So this is the standard which is followed in India. So what will this do is, now you have to divide this line in 6 parts. Okay, you have to divide this line in 6 parts. So now just select the first, make a line, then select the line, copy multiple, CO, the shortcut is CO, and just place it on all the 6 points that the line had divided. After this, what we will do is that now we have to make the vertical lines, which will now complete the cells. Is that just trim this line off and make another line. Then again write the command divide, select the line you want to divide and write 10, because as I told you before, we are going with a 60 cell solar panel. So this side 6 into 10 becomes 60 cells. So again the same method, you have to select this line, you have to copy it multiple, and then you have to just place it on all the 10 parameters, which is right over here as the line had divided. So here we easily made a solar panel of 60 cells, which is right over here. What you have to do is, after this, that just select the hatch, and this will be you can what you can do is just select this, select this thing. Oops. What you have to do now is that you need to select this inner rectangle, copy it over here, and here what you have to do is you have to hatch it with firstly with a solid blue color, a light blue color like this. Yes, close. Then you have to do another hatch of dots, which is going to be white. You have to select dots from this one. As you know, the cells have dots in it, so you just have to select the simple dot hatch that is available in the AutoCAD default hatches. And what you have to do is you have to increase this. This is too much. If this is visible, we'll go for 30. This becomes more, so I think 5 will be perfect. As you can see, the dots are clearly visible. Now you just have to do is that select both the hatches. Select both the hatches and place it over the solar panel. Then again, select the hatch and right click on your mouse, draw order, send to back. And there we go. Again, why is this line not visible? Draw order, send to back, and just regenerate your model. And you will see all this comes just perfect. We'll just increase this transparency to 50, which will look more realistic. So as you can see over here, we have made a complete, perfectly nice 60 cell solar panel right over here, which is a 35 by 18 inches panel, which is available around the globe, and you can use it. You can just make it in like how many minutes just it take, like 5 minutes or something, and that you can just make it and keep it as a block for your firm, for your personal use or your firm to use just as a block. You can also hatch the outer stainless steel as I told you, which will also look good. So this is what the video was all about, just making one solar panel, and this is how you have to draw it. It is very simple. You can also just follow the steps I told you, and you can make like uh, the whatever size you want for the solar panel. You can make it. Just follow the same steps which I followed. So thank you for watching and share it with someone who may need it. It is Cat Comrade.